then the temple's down there, so you're a little bit higher in the temple.
Yep. I like how they light it up though. It looks pretty awesome.
Oh, yeah. That's why at nighttime, if you go down that side, look at the Parliament building and stuff.
Yeah.
And actually, all these bridges are LED lighting. Oh, so that they can change all the colors and everything. It's no saving money.
LEDs are cheaper than regular.
Oh, a picture with you. I already got a picture of me and the dog. Like you and the dog. This white one coming up, Ray.
Why don't you guys sit down and
somebody left a token thing there.
Oh, money.
Did you say let go of my ball?
Let go of my ball.
I didn't say balls.
I still have to do the ice bath.
You should sit on this side.
Yeah.
Get all the great buildings over there, and the architecture's amazing.
This is where we got on yesterday, right?
We getting off here?
No, we got on here. We're going to the end.
I mean, that's what, 100 years old?
This, no, probably 500 years old.
Yeah, 100 years old.
Actually, in one of the walls, they left the bullet holes from World War II.
41.
Yeah. Well, what happened to have to redo it after every war? And then the American, hey, just in case we fall. It's going to take us, 8 weeks to catch up. Take you guys 8 weeks to catch up to me.
Sorry.
This is good enough.
You're still finding out that Madrid.
So he came back here, what, 2 years ago? 5 years ago?
4
years ago.
4 years coming up. Oh, okay. I think that's the but. She's been taking care of everything, so it's all good.
We're gonna get on a bus and go to Visegrád in the national park.
Basil's like, I still want my food.
Yeah. Oh, that's.
Oh yeah, here's the map to get up there.
It looks like a journey.
That's
It
right.
takes us 10 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad.
I don't think that maybe an hour and 10 minutes.
This is where we're going.
What's the sign?
Ray, Frankie. You guys good back there? All right, we're gonna run the rest of the way, okay?
Yeah, you
Knock yourself out.
and we'll be right there with you on screen.
Spirit.
Alan will Photoshop us in.
Yeah, right. He'll be somewhere. He'll just have his head peeking out of the ground.
This is one. Justin, you want to do some rock climbing?
Some rock climbing?
Justin,
What grade do you? Yeah.
I don't believe you.
You can use your axe throwing skills
I mean,
now.
I mean, I could rock climb, but I don't think I could do that.
Free climb.
Yeah.
Free climb.
One of you guys will have to catch me at the bottom.
Look at the falcon on the right.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, beautiful bird.
Hi.
Thank you.
The king and queen?
Yeah.
Come on, we'll take a picture. Oh, they got it roped up.
You gotta pay a euro.
We saw this girl dressed up. And I said, can I take your picture? Yeah, no problem. She says, can I take a picture with you? Oh, that's €1. I said, I don't want it that bad. Reminds me of being on the Connecticut River.
Yeah, right.
Let's keep it up.
I did what?
Just in time for lunch.
Oh.
Here.
I heard the just in part, so I thought you were talking to me.
Oh, just in time. Just in time, just.
Oh. This is one hell of a leg workout. Oh. this is pretty cool.
Through it.
Yeah, exactly. You're gonna behead me. Wow, this is a nice point. Wow. Squirrel. It's a fly.
Big squirrel.
That's one big ass squirrel.
Yeah, fed the whole family.
Is this what we're gonna be doing at some point when Helen gets here?
Yeah, last, but when are we going to one of these?
Party?
The party.
I'll let that turkey leg.
Oh, we went to Dennis' house. And I got a turkey, like the guy was coming with the wheelbarrow.
Picos.
You know, in the
Oh,
big
sorry.
barrel.
Sure.
Yeah.
I want to learn some Hungarian dance.
It's their Thanksgiving. Come on. It's a family thing.
Hey, Frankie. Frankie. I wonder if that's the same dog statue.
Hey, your grandfather.
No, it's Papa. Oh, no, there's a coin. There's a real gold.
See? That's one of my breads right there.
Oh, yeah?
They got a souvenir.
Yeah,
Thing
nice.
over there.
And there's Mikey's stuffed pig.
Jeez, they fed them well back in the day.
It's a pig's blood. Well, you had to eat all the food every day because it couldn't keep
No
overnight.
refrigerator.